If you've ever wasted more than 30 seconds trying to find a photo, your workflow is costing you money. Most photographers, whether they're a beginner or a working professional, were never taught how to organize images in a way that feels calm, clear, and repeatable. Today, I'm going to change that. I'm going to show you the simple naming system that I've used for years, from personal projects to high volume product photography for national brands like Hallmark's Dayspring brand. And once you learn it, you'll never go back. Hey friend, I'm Cheryl Barton, and I help creatives take beautiful product photos and build systems so their business feels lighter, joyful, and a lot less chaotic. Because creativity should feel free, not cluttered. And if you're new here, hit the subscribe button because we talk about photography, workflow, and marketing systems that actually make your life easier. Okay, let's get into it. When I worked in-house for Dayspring, I was producing photography almost every day. Thousands of products, multiple departments, deadlines, revisions, reshoots, everything needed to be searchable in seconds. If I couldn't find a specific image, I was holding up multiple people and lots of departments within the company, from sales to .com. There was no time to search and dig, no time to guess, no time to rename things later. That's when I learned this. I needed a naming system, not just that was optional, but it was functional. And here's the beautiful part. You don't have to have fancy software. You don't need a new camera. You don't need organizational apps. You just need a simple, consistent naming method. Most photographers rely on the camera default names, random folders, labels, screenshots, final edit version 3, and worst of all, desktop chaos. By the way, you're not really supposed to do that because you could crash your hard drive. I'm going to teach you my system for organizing files, and it starts now. The simple naming system. This works for personal projects, behind the scenes, family, and creative shoots. So here's the format. Year _ month _ day _ shoot name. So here's an example on the screen. And why this works, it sorts itself, and your brain recognizes real words. You never wonder, what shoot was this? If you shoot the same subject often and version tags, for example, 2025, 10, 28, hand and iron, version 1 or version 2, simple, clear, and recognizable. Now, product photography for e-commerce and brand work, especially those like Amazon, Etsy, Shopify, and wholesales. The naming system shifts to support their workflow, not yours. These businesses often need the SKU or product number first, no spaces, consistent separators, for example, _ or dash, angle or version identifiers, for example, how to format each image is SKU _ product code _ angle or version, for example, on the screen. And this allows an automatic upload into the product systems online, so there's no renaming, no confusion between teams, faster approvals, clear version tracking. This is the exact system I use daily in high volume product shoots, and it works beautifully, no matter which naming system you're using. I want you to use underscores instead of spaces, and repeat your naming structure every single time. Add version numbers, so version 1, version 2, version 3, especially if you're creating different edits to each file. And please avoid spaces, special characters, and letting your computer automatically name anything. If you follow just these, your workflow will instantly feel calmer and you'll make this super easy. I've created a free guide, a one-page guide you can download and use right away. It's called the Photo Naming Quick Start Card, and it walks you through both of the naming systems we talked about today. The link is right below. It will save you so much time. And if you're ready to take this even further and want a full structure, like Lightroom catalog setup, the backup workflow, and the delivery progress I use for every client job. That's going to be included in the Focused on Success Blueprint. It's designed to help you get organized and remove overwhelm so your business feels simple again. Don't forget the guide is below in the links. You deserve a workflow that feels calm and manageable. You deserve to walk into work and feel confident, not scattered. You're building something beautiful, and I'm cheering you on every step of the way. I'll see you in the next video.